Good evening, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm Gayatri ma'am, and today I'll teach you about first aid. So, it is important to know what is first aid. It is an immediate medical help given before doctor arrives. Before giving first aid, we should wash our hands. And while giving first aid, it is important to stay calm and act fast. If you encounter an emergency situation, then call for an ambulance and rush to the hospital. You can see here this is first aid box. It contains injection, tablets, thermometer, cotton, band-aid, Dettol, scissor and some antiseptic cream. Now we will learn about that what should we do in case of different type of accident. So let us start. First, cuts and wound. In case of cuts and wound, wash cuts with water, then clean them with cotton soaked in an antiseptic solution like Dettol or Savlon. Cover cuts with a clean bandage or gauze. In case of burn, remove the heat source, put out flames or remove clothing. For minor burns, dip the part in cold water or hold the burned part under running water for some time. Do this at once. This cools the wound and avoids severe burns. Minor burn heal on their own. In case of more serious burns, consult a burn specialist if necessary. In case of nose bleeding. In case of nose bleeding, stay calm and do not panic. Sit and press the nose tightly with your fingers. Keep it closed like this for 5 to 10 minutes. This stops the blood from flowing. Breathe through your mouth. Bend forward to avoid swallowing the blood in case of fainting. If a person faint, make him lie down for a while. Keep the head low for the extra blood to reach the brain. And in case of insect biting, wash the area thoroughly with water. Put ice pack for 10 minutes till the burning sensation is reduced. Put some soothing cream. A soft pad soaked in ammonia water also gives relief. Apply calamine lotion if there is itching. Thank you.